I go straight from the bank, gassing up the tank, cranking up the radio, playing old Hank. It ain't that long till I'm back at the pond. I'm pulling up the truck down at the dock. It's time to do some cruising, baby, get a little stuck. It's a Saturday joyride, Percy Beast is the spot. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time, in our own honky tonk with a bottle of wine. We're going up, we're coming down. Cheers to feeling alright, it's a hell of a time.
Anyway, here, Junk the Gems 3. This is what we're doing today. We got a little ditch witch over here, and the guide leg broke off, and they tried to weld it in the field, and needless to say that that didn't work out very well. So today we're putting some 3/16 steel. We just bought another tube. We're gonna make we made another tube for this. This is right here. The other stuff was 1/8 inch, so we've got 3/16 now with an 1/8 inch gusset that's going to go in there. So we're going to make this thing extra strong, and we're going to make this thing pretty. Beautiful. Hold on. Got my hammer. Quarter-inch thick by the time it's over with. Thing pretty. So we've got all the bad stuff cut off of there, and we got our 1/8 inch gusset that we're going to set in there, and we're going to weld it in here in just a second. And then we're going to set the other one down and weld it in, and we should be good to go. So hope you like the project, and we'll see you soon. The water just goes down inside there. Oh, I see, it's open down there too. Okay.
Good.
So now we got our 2-inch over top of it. So now I'm just going to weld all that in. Now that joint will be stronger than it was to start with. So we will be good. Okay, we got her welded up. We had to do a little bit down here. And we had to put a couple of tacks on these right here. Because every time they put pressure on this right here, right in here, it put pressure on that. It kept wanting to break the bolts loose, so we just put a couple quick tacks on there. And then the next thing we're going to do for these folks, as you can see the broken weld here, and it's starting to crack right there. So we're going to go ahead and put a couple of tacks on that in the morning and get them going. There's our shorty and her friend with on the four-wheelers today. It was her birthday Tuesday, so she got a friend over for the weekend. They're going to ride four-wheelers and have some fun tonight, and then go swimming in the pool tomorrow.
The hard part's getting the